everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Sid.
I'm Chaz.
And this is Jupiter and Sonora. We like to go camping and hiking and biking and all kinds of adventuring. We thought that we would make some videos and show the world what we do and take you along with us. So stay tuned for more stuff.
This is Independence Pass, which connects Leadville to Aspen. Only open in the summers due to the high amounts of snowfall and avalanche danger in the area.
I speak my words, don't bite. I speak my words, don't bite my tongue. I learn first, I keep this true. Me, the you, we, together, different occasions, different belief, different approaches, different beliefs. I speak my words, don't bite my tongue. I speak my words, don't bite my tongue. I speak my words, don't bite my tongue.
start to lose yourself into life, well, that's where you start to find it.
For dinner tonight, we've got a beef steak stir fry. We're gonna put some asparagus, broccoli, snow peas in there. And then these are the best. Already pre-cooked, you really just have to heat it up. Super easy. We're gonna use the teriyaki sauce. And yeah, let's get cooking. This knife set's probably my favorite item that we take camping. We got it from REI. It's got this cutting board, scrubber pad, bottle to put dish soap in, and then 3 different knives. And it's zippable and compact. Starting off by melting some butter. Yep. Now that we got the veggies on, we're gonna start the rice. And you just have to heat it up, squish it in the bag, and then put it in the pan.
Colorangus.
Time for the teriyaki sauce. Food is cooked and time to plate it up.
Good morning, Bateman family! Just kidding, we've been awake for like an hour now, but it's been a nice morning.
Yeah.
Wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey. Colorado's favorite hot sauce. So last night our GoPro died, but it was pretty chilly when we went to sleep, and we usually use this double wide Kelty sleeping bag. Pretty big. It is really nice for 2 people though. However, there is a lot of extra space created, which makes for a lot of cold pockets, which isn't very fun when you're moving around a lot in your sleep. So what we'd recommend is using a filler blanket, another nice soft fleece blanket, put inside and contain the heat a little bit better. Honestly, I was cold all night last night, but I definitely could have prepared myself more for that.
I slept perfectly fine. Well, we are packing up from this beautiful spot and we're gonna head into Aspen for some lunch.
Check this shit out. And this is the sad part. Getting back to pavement. Thanks for joining us. We're back in Leadville where we live at 10,200 feet, 152 actually to be exact. But thanks for watching our first video.
Thanks.
Subscribe. We're going to be making a lot more of these as we venture out almost every week. So thanks for hopping along and see you next time.
Bye.